हाय गाइस, श्रद्धा करियर एकेडमी में आप सबका बहुत बहुत स्वागत। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है हाउ टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ। कौन सा भी इंटरव्यू आप देने जाते हो तो आपका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यही होता है, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ। तो आपको बाकी तैयारी करने के साथ ये प्रिपरेशन भी अच्छा करना है। द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज, यहाँ आपको लाइफ लॉन्ग स्टोरी नहीं बतानी। In short, tell me about yourself doesn't mean tell them everything. You just have to tell what makes you the best. So today we are going to see which contents are required, what we have to avoid, कौन से silly mistakes आपको नहीं करना है, and also we'll see some sample introduction. तो वीडियो एंड तक जरूर देखो। अपने चैनल को अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब करो एंड मेक श्योर हिट द बेल आइकॉन। तो देखते हैं आपके इंट्रोडक्शन में कौन से कंटेंट होने चाहिए। फर्स्ट वन इज ग्रीटिंग। कभी भी आपको ग्रीट करके ही स्टार्ट करना है तो आपकी शुरुआत अच्छी होती है। जस्ट लाइक गुड मॉर्निंग सर, गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड इवनिंग एज पर टाइमिंग। सेकेंड वन इज थैंक यू। You have to say thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Third one is your name and where from you are. Fourth is qualification. आपको अपना highest qualification बताना है as well as some extraordinary courses if you have completed. For example, I have done my post graduation in science specialized in chemistry in 2017. Another one, I did my graduation in law from ABC University. Next important content is an experience. If you have an experience, यहाँ आपको उस कंपनी का नाम बताना है, आपका जॉब प्रोफाइल क्या था और आप क्या काम करते थे, and eventually you have to tell them how many years you did work in that company. For example, I have been an innovative sales manager at XYZ company, handling a small sales team by implementing marketing strategies and analyzing trends and results with 3 years of experience. Another one example, I worked as a HR manager at XYZ company, managing all aspects of HR functions from recruitment, training, compensation of employees with 2 years of experience. अगर आप फ्रेशर हो तो आपका ये पॉइंट स्किप होता है एंड यू हैव टू डायरेक्टली गो ऑन द नेक्स्ट कंटेंट विच इज कंट्रीब्यूशन, योर कंट्रीब्यूशन टुवर्ड्स वर्क। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है बिकॉज इंट्रोडक्शन तो सब देते हैं बट हाउ यू आर डिफरेंट ये आपको बताना है बाय गिविंग देम रीजन व्हाई शुड दे सिलेक्ट यू इंस्टेड ऑफ अदर कैंडिडेट who are waiting outside. So here you can tell them what you have accomplished in the past and how it will help to grow to develop this company. For example, I would like to give my unique vision to your company. Also, I will use my acquired knowledge and will try to achieve company's goal. अब हम देखते हैं what you have to avoid. कौन से silly mistakes आपको नहीं करना है, जैसे कि repetition. You don't have to say same sentence again and again. Next one is your weakness. अगर आपको नहीं पूछा है तो मत बताना. You can just tell them your strength in your introduction. After that, don't use superlative degree. Just like I am the best, I am the greatest. यहाँ आपका over confidence दिखता है, which is bad thing. Don't be overconfident ever. Your voice should be respectful, polite and speak clearly and slowly. ये कुछ छोटी छोटी बातें हैं जो आपको याद रखना है. Now we'll see some sample introduction. First one is for fresher candidate and second one is for experienced candidate. Good morning, ma'am. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Priya. I am basically from Jammu but currently staying in Mumbai. I have done my engineering graduation specialized in computer science from XYZ University in 2020. Along with my degree, I completed Java and SQL courses with first class. My strength is I am a quick learner and hardworking person. I believe in teamwork. I would like to be associated with your company so I can enhance my skill and ability to achieve company's target. My short-term goal is to get a good job in reputed company like your to build my career. Thank you once again for this opportunity. Now for experienced candidate. Good morning, ma'am. First of all, I would like to say thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Shraddha. I am native to Nasik. I did post graduation in commerce with first class distinction in 2019. I also completed Tally ERP 9 and computer typing with 30 WPM. I have been working in ABC multinational company at Bangalore as a process associate with more than 3 years of experience. I created strategies for improving teamwork and communication among members of team project. I would like to become more knowledgeable and give my level best in my job and fulfill every responsibility assigned to me.